This is my latest masterpiece. It is a wedding keepsake box that I made for myself using the colors white, purple, lavender, and silver. These are the colors that hubby and I used in our wedding, and purple is his favorite team color. I started with a 13-inch round paper mache box that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I lined the interior of the box with plain white satin fabric. On the exterior of the box, I lined that with a white satin fabric that has flowers on it, and you can see tiny specks of glitter. Now, to hide where those two fabrics met on the inside of the box, I attached a 1/2-inch white lace trim that I got from Walmart. Then on the bottom of the box, I added a purple pleated ribbon all around the box, and on each side and in the back I added this cluster of flowers in white, lavender, and purple. Between each of those, I added a single purple flower on the top and then on the bottom. Coming to the front is the big daddy of the cluster of flowers, and this is using a purple corsage, starting here with the rose and the rosebud on the side. And I added some more of the white, lavender, and the purple flowers. Then I added 2 butterflies. So moving up to the lid for the box, I covered that in the same white fabric with the flowers. Then I attached the pleated purple ribbon, the same one that I used on the bottom of the box. And then I attached some purple flowers and some white flowers. Then I added 2 lovebirds. Aren't they the cutest little things? And for the centerpiece, I made this in 2 parts, and the second level of the base is Styrofoam that's covered with the white satin fabric and then lined with the lavender lace and a lavender rosebud in the front and the back, and one on each side. Then the top level is the same thing, and in the center, in the front, I added 2 more butterflies. The centerpiece, which mimics the cake topper, is a pair of interlocking hearts, which I got from Amazon, and it originally came in white. So I used a lavender acrylic paint to cover that, and then I used a high gloss varnish, and that gives it such a lustrous shine. Now to finish the back, I added some more of the purple flowers. So friends, I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And until next time, stay blessed and beautiful.